Good morning friends. In today's artificial intelligence class, we are going to see the topic resolution with very simple example. And this resolution is an important topic in second unit logical reasoning. First let us see the definition of resolution. The resolution inference rule that will take two premises. Two premises means two different statements and those statements in the form of A union X and B union not X. Here A, X, B and not X are different terms and in this X and not X are conflicting terms and the resultant class will be A union B and this A union B is the conclusion of this resolution. The resolution proof technique works in this way. The first point is select two classes that containing conflicting terms. In our example, we are having X and not X and these two terms are conflicting. And second one, combine those two classes. And next we need to combine those two classes and third one cancel out the conflicting terms. After that we will get the resulting conclusion of this particular resolution. For example, we have the following statements. The first statement is if it is a pleasant day and you will do the strawberry picking. And second statement is if you are doing strawberry picking you are happy. Okay, so they gave these two statements. From these statements we need to conclude if it is a pleasant day you are happy. If it is a pleasant day you are happy. So from these two statements we need to conclude the given statement by using this resolution. The above statements, that is these two statements can be written in propositional logic like this. How? First one is strawberry is picking implies present and second one is happy implies strawberry picking. Okay. So first we need to convert the given statement into propositional logic statements. So after that the statement can be written in CNF form, conjunctive normal form. Already we know how to convert the propositional logic statements into CNF statements. Okay. So here strawberry picking disjunction not pleasant. So this is how this particular statement will be converted. And conjunction, okay, happy disjunction not strawberry picking. Happy disjunction not strawberry picking. Now we can combine these two statements because we are having two conflicting terms in this statement, strawberry picking and not strawberry picking. Resolving these two classes, that is CNF classes, and cancelling out the conflicting terms. So we are having two conflicting terms, strawberry picking and not strawberry picking in our CNF statement. Okay. So these two conflicting terms will be removed. Then we can get the new class called not pleasant union happy. Not pleasant union happy. Otherwise we can write this as pleasant implies happy. Pleasant implies happy. So in this diagram our first class is strawberry picking union not pleasant and second class is happy union not strawberry picking. So strawberry picking and not strawberry picking are two conflicting terms. We can remove these two terms and finally we are having pleasant union not pleasant union happy. Not pleasant union happy, that we can written in this form, pleasant implies happy, or we can rewrite happy, that implies pleasant. If it is a pleasant day, you are happy. This is our conclusion statement. The refutation in resolution. Sometimes from the collection of statements, we have some set of statements. From that, we want to know the answer for this question. What is the question? Is it possible to prove some other statements? Is it possible to prove some other statements from what we actually know? That is, we are having a set of statements. From these statements, we want to prove some other statement. Is it possible in the resolution? Yes, by using refutation we can do that. That is, in order to prove this, we need to make some inferences, and those other statements can shown true by using refutation proof method. That is, refutation is proof by contradiction using resolution. Proof by contradiction using resolution. And so for asked goal, we will negate the goal and will add it to the given statements to prove the contradiction. Let us see one example for this refutation in resolution. In this example, we are having 4 different parts while deriving the solution. First one is part 1. The part 1 contains English meanings for the classes. Classes means the simple statements. And part 2, which represents the propositional logic statements for the given English sentences. And part 3, this part 3 represent the CNF form of part 2. That is, the propositional logic statements will be converted into CNF form in part 3. And next one is part 4. This is very important one. This shows the other statement we want to prove using this refutation proof method. Here we are having 4 different parts. The first part we are having simple English sentences, and 7 statements are given here. First one is, if it is sunny and warm day, you will enjoy. And second one, if it is warm and pleasant, if it is warm and pleasant day, you will do strawberry picking. And third one, if it is raining, then no strawberry picking. And fourth one, if it is raining, you will get wet. And fifth one, it is warm day. And sixth one, it is raining. And seventh one, sunny. And the next step, we need to convert all these simple statements into propositional statements. And this will come under part 2. The first statement will be converted into, if it is sunny and warm, then you will enjoy. And second statement, if it is warm and pleasant, then you will pick the strawberry picking. And third one, not strawberry picking, implies raining. That is, if it is raining, then not strawberry picking. And if it is raining, then wet. Raining implies wet. And fifth one, warm. Sixth one, raining. And seventh one, sunny. And this next part is, we need to convert the propositional statement into CNF form. The first one is, enjoy union, not sunny or not warm. Enjoy or not sunny or not warm. And strawberry picking or not warm or not pleasant. And not strawberry picking or not raining. And wet or not raining or warm and raining and sunny. So this is how you need to convert the propositional statement into CNF statement. And the fourth part is, we need to derive some other statements by proof by refutation. The first statement is, you are not doing strawberry picking. and second one is you will enjoy. Okay, and these two statements will be explained by using a refutation proof, and you just try yourself, you will get weight. Okay, so there are four different parts in this solution. First one is the simple English sentences, and those English simple sentences will be converted into propositional statements, and that propositional statements will be converted into CNF form. So from this CNF form we need to derive some other statements. First let us take goal 1, that is you are not doing strawberry picking. You are not doing strawberry picking, and the proof, what we need to prove, not strawberry picking. So in the not strawberry picking we need to assume the negation of the goal. The negation of goal is strawberry picking, and add to the given classes, that is strawberry picking is our goal, and we need to combine this with the CNF statement. CNF given statement 3 is not strawberry picking union not raining. Not strawberry picking and not raining, that is strawberry picking and not strawberry picking are contradictory terms. So we need to remove these contradictory terms, then we get not raining. So for this not raining, what is the negation term in our list? Raining. This is the statement 6. So raining and not raining will be cancelled. So contradiction, we will get the empty class. Finally we will reach the empty class. If we reach the empty class means our goal is reached. Which is our goal? You are doing strawberry picking. You are doing strawberry picking is acceptable statement. So you are doing strawberry picking is acceptable statement. And let us come to second goal. Which is our second goal? You will enjoy. You will enjoy. Whether this particular statement is acceptable or not, we need to prove this. What we need to prove? Enjoy. And we need to assume not enjoy, that is negation of this goal. Negation of this goal to be taken and that to be added into our given class, that is CNF statements. CNF statements. Okay. First one is enjoy. We will take this enjoy, that is negation of enjoy. So this we need to take, isn't it? So negation of enjoy, and our first statement is enjoy union not sunny union not warm. So this particular enjoy and the negation of enjoy will get cancelled. Then we get not sunny union not warm. So for this warm we are having for this not warm we are having fifth sentence statement warm. So this warm will get cancelled here, and next we are having not sunny. Our seventh statement is sunny, so these two will get cancelled. Then we are having the empty class. Contradiction, empty class. So once we reach the empty class means we reach the goal. What is our goal statement? You will enjoy. You will enjoy. Okay, our goal is reached, that is you will enjoy is acceptable statement. You will enjoy is acceptable statement. Okay, so this is how the resolution problem will be solved. And that's all about resolution. Friends, Please give some possible questions from this resolution in the comment box. And in the next class, I will give some other important topic in artificial intelligence. And thank you.